Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Today we're going to be talking about how you can manifest your dream life in just 3 steps, using nothing but a pen, patience, and persistence. The first step is getting out a piece of paper and a pen and deciding what exactly do you want in this dream life. Who are the people, the places, the things that occupy this new reality you're creating for yourself. Don't hold yourself back here. Write down one by one, in detail, each piece of this dream life you desire. And a word of warning, do not skip the physical act of writing them down. Many do. However, this is one of the most powerful ways to let your thoughts permeate your current reality and begin the shift needed to create your dream life. So make sure you do this, as insignificant as it may seem. After you've written down your goals, the second step to manifesting your dream life is to let go. Let go of all of your desires, needs, or wants. Let yourself be at ease being exactly where you are, and put all of your trust into the unseen force of the universe to guide you down the path of manifesting your dream life. This may be difficult at first if you have no previous knowledge or experience of the law of attraction in action. Of course, who could believe such a silly thing, that releasing your desire for a thing could magically bring it to you? But hear me now, this law is true and a powerful one. And if you take the time to practice letting go, you'll have a superpower far greater than any amount of work, status, or luck could ever bring you. The third and final step to manifesting your dream life is to receive your desires. Now, this may seem simple, and it is, but I would just like to guide you a bit on the process of letting your dream life merge with your current reality. When it begins to happen, you may feel yourself start to feel excited and distracted by the events unfolding before your eyes. While this isn't an issue itself, you need to be certain that you never try to become the operator for the universal law. For example, when a part of your dream appears and you receive it, perhaps you may think you can make the other pieces happen faster if you just begin to want and hope for them more and more. This is a mistake, because now you are in the mindset of needing and wanting, not having. In addition, you may start to feel impatient, waiting around for your desires to come to you. It is crucial to remain patient and unattached to how your dream life will begin to appear, and let what happens happen, because it usually does so for a reason. Always, at every point in the process, continue to trust the universe. It knows how to operate this machine we call life best. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.